two are always the same, and there's only one difference really between any of the tape job, and it's how you lay these secondary strips. So start with a base, and again, just like the last one, they don't like to. Typically, people don't like to have white tape around here because it compresses those metatarsal heads. If you have elastic tape, I recommend using it because it gives. If you don't, just have to be very, very cautious about how you lay the white tape. Go ahead. Oh, are you rolling? Good. So, the next portion, you may want to get over here. You guys actually all may want to get behind just so you can see this. Are the cover strips of the arch. And a lot of different ways to do this, but the one thing to note is that the arch, when you're taping a longitudinal arch, what's the purpose? Yeah, so pulling it up. So one of the few times in taping where you're actually going to go medial to lateral. No, sorry, lateral to medial. So around and up. You want to try to make sure the strips begin and end right along that those metatarsal heads. I'm not the best at this method because I don't do it this way, but I'll do my best. 4 to 4. 3 to 3. Sorry, I'm taking on you. 2 to 2. And 1 to 1. And you really, with these strips, you're just looking to kind of cover the arch and give a little bit of a scaffolding, if you will, to support. So we can just do a very simple anchor that down. The next step, again for looks, you can also do it at like so. Then, where the big part of this tape is this step. So like I talked about, you're going to tape lateral to medial to pull up on that arch. So you can start on that strip and then put these little half strips and pull up on the arch. And something I learned, and I think I like to do, is when they're about to pull up, I have the patient plantar flex into my leg to kind of use the windlass effect, I believe is the name, to your advantage on this. So with every strip, pull up. Pull up. And pull up. So you want to cover arch with those strips. It does make a huge difference if you go lateral, medial, distal to proximal, proximal, distal. I just do it this way because it's easy for me. So now the tape job is essentially done. You can always add half strips here, make it a little, almost like a moccasin. But those aren't necessary.